Hi, to activate battery optimization on your POCO F6, as a first step, open Settings and go in the Battery tab. So, first thing we can see is our current mode. Here we got 4 options. The first one, Ultimate mode, does not suit us because this might increase power consumption. So the second mode is Balanced, which is an optimal mode and the default option here. And to save battery power, we can select Battery Saver, and here we would see this orange battery icon. And if you want to get 82 hours on your phone, then turn on this Ultra Battery Saver. And this feature restricts most power-consuming features and decreases your device's performance in order to leave basic functionality. So, if you agree with that, just tap the OK button. And now you will see this screen. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. So this is how your phone will look with Ultra Battery Saver mode. As you can see, we can use only these 3 apps: phone, contacts, and messaging. Or if you would like to add Google Chrome, for example, you can tap this option to add and select Google Chrome from the list, tap the done button, and now you can use Google Chrome as well in this mode. To exit it, just tap this exit icon on the top of the screen and everything will just go back to normal. We have other ways to save the battery, and for that let's return back in this setting and select battery protection now. So here for the charging protection we got 3 options. Optimized charging is a default option, regular charging I do not recommend this one, and limited charging is what we needed. So it only allows charging up to 80% to maintain battery health. So to save this setting, just simply go back like that. And now as for advices, just go in the battery checkup. And here you would see the amount of items which can be optimized. For example, I can enable to adjust brightness automatically and it will add me 19 minutes of use. We can also enable dark mode, low screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, clear memory, turn off location services, turn off haptic feedback, don't wake screen for notifications, lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity, and restrict 5G connectivity. So for example, let's turn off location services. I'm gonna put checkmark here and add 40 minutes to use my phone. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.